What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Saigon Cribs. This is your real estate guru, Brian here, coming at you with another apartment. Hey, we have an amazing, brand new renovated apartment here at One Veranda, located in District 2, 2TM. This is the most amazing one-bedroom apartment that's available right now. Come on, let's go for a tour. All right, so starting in the kitchen area, really nice, fully equipped kitchen here. You have a double sink with the pull-out faucet there. It's giving you a nice culinary touch there. Nice microwave here. Electric locks, double induction burner, and as well as the electric locks oven hood. You have your upper cabinets and your lower cabinets for added space. One of the features of these apartments is the soft close feature. That's on all of the cabinets and the cabinet doors as well. Brand new LG fridge. Also has the water dispenser there. Nice touch. Everything in this apartment is brand new. As you can see, you still got the carton and tape and manuals. Everything is brand new in this apartment. So essentially, you'll be the first tenant here. And you walk into the laundry area. We have a Samsung washer machine, front loading washer, really nice, again, brand new. And above, I'll just point out that there is the hot water heater. It gives you the central hot water in all of the faucets in the home. That includes your bathroom shower, sinks, and as well as your kitchen sink has the option for hot and cold. Okay? Here in the dining area, you got a 4-seat, brand new, nicely modern table here with the Scandinavian style chairs, cloth, really comfortable. Will be really nice for dining. It's really spacious. Please like and subscribe. And here we have the full-length mirror, which is a nice touch, so you can see yourself before you go out on the night on the town. And again, really nice, comfortable sofa, very long as well. You can seat at least 3 people. Nice width, so if you wanted to lay down and watch a movie, you got enough space. Really nice decor artwork as well. That's really done nicely. Brand new smart TV by Samsung. So, you know that you can Netflix and chill. Nice cabinet space here as well. So really great job, which also has a soft close feature. That's also great. And then you have the aircon by Mitsubishi with the inverter technology. So one thing when you're looking for apartments, you want to try to find and see if your equipment has the inverter, so that will save you on your electricity bill costs. All right. Nice round coffee table, and you have a really nice comfortable carpet there. Amazing apartment here. So this apartment is available right now. The rental is 19 million Vietnam dong. All right. That does not include the management fees, but can be negotiated. So we have the really nice blackout curtains and also has the sheer layer. All right. So that's really nice. And also the selling point is this amazing river view. This is amazing. You can really relax out here. grab a coffee, and watch the ships go by, my peeps. Like, this is awesome. Off into the distance, that's the Fumi. That's the Fumi Bridge. That's connecting you to District 7. So you can get to District 1 very easily. You can take the back road straight down there and then turn up and go over the bridge there, and boom, you're right in District 7. Not far from the Fumihung area once you cross that bridge there. This area is up and coming. This is a brand new area. Just want to point that out. A lot of new businesses that are coming, a lot of new restaurants. All right, there's another restaurant over here that's brand new. Amtuk Muay Tam is also a great seafood restaurant where you can sit there, have a nice river view as you have dinner. So there's a lot of great new stores and restaurants that are opening in this area. You have the Vinmart, OCB Bank, and this is the main road in front of the apartment complex. Lots of coffee shops, nail salons, and more seafood restaurants. So there's a lot of things to do here. Mini stop as well. I mean, take a look at this. The boxes are still here. So this is proof everything is brand new. Everything. All right. Even they're about to trash the boxes. Haven't even got to that yet. All right. So amazing, amazing apartment. So let me take you into the bedroom. All right. So I closed some of the doors to eliminate some of the sound that was coming out. Now we can't hear anything. So just want to show that the apartment is quiet. Doors are double pane windows. Soundproofing is done really nicely here. So walking into the primary bedroom, again, this is a 1-bedroom apartment. Really, really, really nice. This is a king size bed here. You got your king size mattress, box spring, I would say a comfort level number 8. You know, not too soft, not too firm. Really, really good medium there. Yep, 220, 195, the 2. So yeah, this is a king size. So brand new renovation here. Nice side tables there. And you do have your power outlets there, so you can keep your devices charged. You got your Saigon 1947 map here. Look at that. From 1947 artwork here. Really, really cool. Doesn't have one veranda on the map. We will be somewhere over here on the map. We are here. But look at that. Look at how the parks were downtown. Okay. Some things have changed and some things have stayed the same.
Some things do change.
So really, really nice. You're going to get a brand new bed set when you rent this apartment. We're hooking you up with your bed set. No worries. You're going to choose the color and style that you would like, and we'll get you set up. Maybe you want to choose something that matches the curtains here. Again, you do have the blackout curtains, to really block the light, and you have the sheer layer as well. And of course, you have an amazing river view here. These windows do open up partially, right? So that's how the windows lock there, but you can get some fresh air in, right? So just a tidbit there. All right, lock that. Again, another side table here with a table lamp. Really nice there, and you do have your plugs back there for charging your devices. And the aircon in here as well. It's made by Mitsubishi and also has the inverter, all right, to save you some cost. And I'll show you the wardrobe here. All right, you do have some drawers there. You have your upper storage there as well. And inside the wardrobe here, you have your double rods here. So a rod below and rod up top with one shelf here, which gives you some more shelf space. And here we go, inside of the full bath here. The shower, you got the rainfall shower head and your handheld. Really, really nice. All right, enclosed shower with a hidden drain there. Really nice touch. Nice toilet with the bidet. And your floating vanity here. Very large mirror that you can, give yourself a look as you get ready for work. And you do have your power outlet here. All right. Also, I'll point out you do have your towel rack here by Regal and your hook here as well. So really, really nice styling. Really amazing. Also, I'll point out inside of your bedroom, you do have your outlets here. So you have your cable TV, you have your internet to, connect directly to the TV for Netflix and power. So if you wanted to install for yourself a TV here, we can have that arranged, install it on the wall, and do all of that for you. All right. So this is the 1-bedroom apartment available right now. Really, really amazing design. Brand new renovation. Everything in the apartment is totally 100% brand new. It is ready now for the taking. So if you are interested in this apartment, be sure to send me a WhatsApp message or Zallo, and we can get you connected, arrange a viewing, or you can book this apartment directly. Many of our clients do book at this time because of the high demand of apartments right now. Many apartments are moving fast. So this is the only 1-bedroom apartment that I have in the entire complex. All right. So for those that are needing a 1-bedroom apartment, you should act now. Take advantage. Also, having an apartment with this amazing view is also very rare. As you know, the Riverview apartments do go first and go very fast. All right, Saigon Cribs out. Thank you so much for watching. Again, please like and subscribe. Thank you so much. Have a great day ahead. Life is good.
One day, I believe in the future. I believe in the past. I believe what you truly desire, you can bring to pass. All you need is a focus and a story to hold, and the faith that you can achieve what's inside your soul. Someday we'll make it on by. Other days we only can